Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei!
Konnichiwa, and welcome to You Will Never Learn How to Cook in Japanese.
Cream?
Let's get started. Today we're making the bread from Sword Art Online. For this dish, you'll need one roll and some sort of cream. I don't have that, so I have cream cheese and sour cream. We'll try them both and see what works. So, the meal is prepared. I will be discarding this half of the pan because I just ate a traditional bento before making this. So, alright, let's dig in, see what it was like in I'm Sword Art Online. Cream cheese. Pretty good. Good texture, slightly sweet. You can go in for a second bite. I like to talk while I'm chewing, but yep, I can definitely see that being the thing to bridge the gap between you and your digital life. Let's try sour cream. Could have been the cream using the shell, I don't know. So let's should probably just stick to putting that on tacos. Ooh, a little bit of sour cream in my mustache. I don't have to finish this, right? I'm full. Arigato for watching my food, cooking, and review.